Hello everyone, this is Sky ቋንቋ Tube. Today I will present for you English for Beginners Part 28, which is about vocabulary revisions. We have seen a lot of vocabularies from Part 1 to Part 27 in this course, so I selected some words and I will present it now. As usual, I will repeat each word 3 times and you repeat after me. Then you'll improve your speaking skills and your listening skills. At the same time, you will understand the pronunciation of each word. Let's start. Pink hijab. Pink hijab. Pink hijab. Dress. 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 Strawberry. 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 Rose. 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 Tie. 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 Two. 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 Umbrella. 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 Shorts. 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 Belt. 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 Coach. 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 This is all about today. See you then. Bye.